Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are great. This is Ernest here and welcome to my review on VidMoto. Now VidMoto, it turns your old boring videos into a brand new breathtaking videos. And all works on AI technology. We'll go into it. Before I go into it, I will talk to you about my earnestly awesome bonuses. You get these bonuses once you decide to buy VidMoto by clicking the link below and buying it from me. The first bonus what you get is SEO and ranking tracking tactics. You can get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking like a pro. And the bonus number 2 is how to write compelling headlines. So you can learn exactly how to write killer headlines that will captive your audience instantly. Bonus number 3, your content marketing guide. Make more money with less efforts using these killer content marketing tips. Bonus number 4, your high profit blog secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build high profit blogs every time and make real money. So these are my bonuses, and apart from my bonuses, you'll also get VidMoto vendor bonuses. These are real, very good bonuses which I will discuss with you in the later part. But these are my bonuses. Let's get into what VidMoto is all about. It's the world's first AI-based video platform at a very low time price. Turn your old boring videos into a brand new breathtaking videos with the latest version of AI-based technology 2022. Video creation is useful in every niche, including teaching, lifestyle blogging, and many other small businesses. Video attracts more than 82% of all consumer internet traffic. More than 90% of the businesses are using video as marketing tools. Video is the fastest growing advertising tool. More and more business owners are planning to increase video spending post-pandemic. So friends, VidMoto is all you need to create irresistible and eye-catching videos that will sell themselves with huge profits. Professional AI-based video maker cloud-based platform, AI-based automatic sound wave generator, AI-based automatic voice to subtitle generator, 100 plus high-quality ready-to-use templates, inbuilt image to sketch converter tool, inbuilt photo background removal features, searchable stock assets, features with no copyrights, AI-based voiceover generator features, sell unlimited assets, VSLs and video to earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Commercial license included and complete design suite for you. So guys, having seen the review, now let's go to the price. Funnel information. Your front end will cost you $17 one time. So now I also give you a special coupon, Ernest03. With this coupon, you will be able to get a $3 discount. So instead of $17, you will be only paying $14. And what all do you get from the front end? Professional AI cloud-based video maker platform, AI-based automatic sound wave generator, AI-based automatic voice to subtitle generator, 100 plus high quality ready to use templates, inbuilt image to sketch converter tool, inbuilt photo background removal features, and so many other things, and a step-by-step training. So almost everything you get from the front end itself. Then you also have the VidMoto Unlimited reseller license included. This will cost you $37, and my coupon of Ernest03 is also applicable here. So you'll get another $3 discount on this $37, which will make you $34 for this version, and you get all the pro features. VidMoto agency, which will cost you $47. With my coupon, it will cost you $3 less. VidMoto bundle edition is $67. VidMoto stock edition is $37. Coupon is applicable. VidMoto white label edition, that is a OTO 5, where you will get it. You can even get the license to rebrand. So who can benefit from this amazing software suite? Freelancers, content creators, bloggers, real estate agents, advertisers, YouTubers, podcasters, marketing agencies, e-commerce, vlogs, restaurants and cafes, and teachers and authors. These are the total value you get from purchase VidMoto today. Okay, you get very good bonuses. Bonus one, number one, is cartoon maker. My dear friend, these bonuses were sold for a minimum of $17 when they were launched. Bonus number two, get that doodle creator. This was launched just 2 months back, so you get this free. Bonus number three, Audify. Bonus number four, 81% discount on all upgrades. And bonus number five is unlimited commercial license. I think it will benefit a lot if you pick it up today. So now let's get into the video part, and then we'll conclude. So that's it, my friends. You have seen my review, you have seen the brief video. I hope you like the product. I'm sure you'll be able to make some money out of it in whichever niche you are in. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my video, share my video to your friends who would likely to use this software, and also like my video. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next review. Bye.